Every time you step into the pool, you're not just swimming, you're facing the water, your limits, and yourself. What if I told you that inside you lies a swimmer far stronger, faster, and more confident than you ever imagined? And today, we're unlocking that potential together. If this journey through the water inspired you, remember, you're not alone. We're building a community of swimmers who believe in pushing limits and finding freedom in every stroke. Subscribe to SwimSphere today so together we can keep unlocking not just swimming potential, but life potential. For years, swimmers around the world have believed that talent and raw strength are the ultimate keys to success in the water. But research and real-world experience tell a different story. True mastery of swimming doesn't just come from pushing harder or training longer. It comes from technique, awareness, and consistency. Picture two swimmers side by side. One kicks furiously and splashes with every stroke, while the other glides effortlessly across the lane with half the energy. The difference isn't power, it's efficiency. And efficiency is the first step in reaching your peak potential. One of the most overlooked elements of swimming is body position. The best swimmers in the world all have one thing in common. They move like a streamlined arrow through the water. That streamlined form reduces drag and lets the water work with you, not against you. Imagine trying to push a box through water versus sliding a knife. One struggles and slows down, while the other cuts smoothly forward. Your body works the same way. When your head is aligned, your core is engaged, and your legs stay near the surface, every stroke takes you further with less effort. Breathing is another key that often separates average swimmers from exceptional ones. Many swimmers unknowingly hold their breath underwater and then gasp at the surface, breaking rhythm and wasting energy. The secret lies in controlled exhalation. By steadily blowing bubbles while your face is in the water, you create a calm exchange of oxygen and keep your body relaxed. When you turn to inhale, it feels natural, smooth, and quick. This rhythm doesn't just keep you from tiring out, it also boosts your confidence, letting you swim longer distances without panic or strain. Kicking is often misunderstood. Some think it's all about strong legs, but in reality, kicking should come from the hips, not the knees. Small, fast, and relaxed kicks create propulsion without burning through energy reserves. The best swimmers use their legs like a steady engine, not a frantic thrashing. If your kick feels heavy or exhausting, chances are you're bending too much at the knee or kicking too deep. Train your kick with a kickboard, but don't forget to integrate it naturally into your full stroke. Drills are your best friend in the pool if you truly want to progress. Elite swimmers spend hours perfecting drills that isolate different aspects of their technique. Catch-up drills, fingertip drags, single-arm freestyle, each one sharpens a skill that contributes to overall performance. Drills might feel slow or repetitive at first, but they are the building blocks of effortless speed. Think of them as training your body to memorize the exact feeling of efficiency, so that when you swim at full pace, everything clicks into place. Another factor often ignored is mental focus. Swimming is as much a mental game as it is physical. Entering the pool with a clear plan and mindful awareness of your body makes every session more valuable. Instead of just counting laps, pay attention to how your stroke feels, how much splash you create, how your breathing matches your movements. This mindfulness not only improves performance, but also transforms swimming into a meditative experience. Many swimmers find their best breakthroughs when they stop obsessing over speed and start focusing on flow. Nutrition and recovery are equally vital. A swimmer who doesn't fuel properly or skips recovery is like an engine running on empty. Hydration, balanced meals, and proper rest prepare your body to perform at its peak. The pool demands energy and strength, but it also rewards those who listen to their limits. Stretching, mobility exercises, and even yoga can keep your shoulders flexible and your muscles balanced, preventing injuries that might otherwise slow your progress. Technology has also opened new doors for swimmers to unlock their potential. From waterproof fitness trackers to underwater cameras, swimmers can now analyze every detail of their performance. Watching yourself on video can reveal flaws you never noticed in real time. Did your elbow drop on the pole? Are your kicks too wide? These small adjustments add up to huge improvements over time. Even apps and smart goggles now offer live feedback, making every lap a chance to learn and refine. But perhaps the most important key to unlocking your potential is consistency. The pool rewards those who show up, day after day, with patience and discipline. Progress may feel slow, but every session builds on the last. Remember, even Olympic champions didn't become world-class overnight. They built their skills over years of dedication. The difference between an average swimmer and a great one is not natural talent. It's the choice to keep going, even when progress seems invisible. The water is honest. It reflects back exactly what you put into it. If you rush, it resists. If you fight, it drags you down. But if you learn to respect it, glide with it, and move in harmony, the pool becomes your greatest ally. Every stroke, every breath, every kick is a step closer to the best version of yourself in the water. So the next time you dive in, remember, your potential isn't locked away in your strength or speed alone. It lies in your focus, your technique, your mindset, and your dedication. Unlock